Balls out.
Balls out.
Oh. It's the pants.
Nah, that's okay.
All right. Let's see if we can make a putt. I think this is go straight up. Back at home. Bird, baby.
Oh, I forgot it's a par 5.
Yep, birdie.
Oh, dang, dude, that was for an eagle?
This is a tie.
That was for eagle.
Wow. I think because it's such a short hole.
I know, it kind of throws you off, huh? All right, I'll square. 1 under.
Birdie, birdie start. Just missed my eagle putt. And Joe got up and down. Hell of an up and down.
That's why they call me Joey Chip Putts.
There you go.
That's the name of the channel.